YouTube, what's going on with you? Your boy is still down. Taking me a little scroll. Y'all pray for your boy now. Pray for your boy. And I hope I ain't offending nobody, but I don't know if I'm a redneck country or what. You know what I'm saying? I'm in down Tennessee, walking down the interstate. My truck's still in the shop. Hell, they ain't even looked at it yet. They ain't even tried to touch it yet. And I've been here since 7, so I'm hungry as a motherfucker. I'm trying to go to that Flying J right there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but that's where I'm going. But for now, I'm walking down the interstate. It's like maybe a mile away. It is what it is. My big ass need to walk any damn way, so I'm just a little nervous. Because y'all come what you want to again. I hope I ain't offending again, depending on who watching this. I ain't saw a black person in almost 48 hours. You feel me? Sadly, I ain't even exaggerating. I ain't saw a black person in almost 48 hours. You know what I'm saying? I mean, almost 24 hours, something like that. Let me see. Yeah, no, I lied. Yeah, about 24 hours now. 24 hours, indefinitely. I'm like, God damn. Tennessee, one of them redneck countries, huh? Saw a black person so damn long. Y'all see, whoever see this video, see I'm alive and well in this video. With all these woods and shit. Please. God damn, you hear something about it? I don't know. Tell people I'm in Tennessee. That time he saw something, but heard from him. He made a video in Tennessee. And all these damn woods right here, bruh. So, shit, what I can think of. I ain't gonna lie, I got my little box cutter. But today, not my box cutter, but my seal cutter. But today, it's gonna act as a box cutter in case shit go down. You feel me? Shit. Oh no, I'm just trying to take this little walk to the Flying J, grab me something to eat, and come on back. You feel me? Like I say, man, my fat ass need to damn walk some kind of way. I ain't done no real exercise in about. But don't get me wrong, I'm not an exercise person. I know I need to be. But I did lose about 50 pounds. But being a truck driver, try not to gain it back. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Because I was, 3+ at one point. That's my check. I was 242. So, y'all give me a round of applause, people. So, yeah. Just try not to gain that weight back. It's hard when your job basically is majority time you sitting. You know what I'm saying? My last truck job is a little physical. This one, most physical thing I do is lowering and raising my landing gear. That's about it. So it's not physical at all. Not like my other. But anyway, I don't have a charger. Matter of fact, I'm gonna buy one at the Flying J. I'm gonna use my damn pilot reward card. Give me one. But anyway, y'all holla at your boy. Let the truck driver turn. Make this wide turn. Like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna holler at y'all later.